right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to do an update on the Matco anti-slip impact socket. When I first reviewed these, I talked about how amazing they are, and well, my opinion has not changed. I use these exclusively to replace the catalytic converter in my son's Focus, and I use these through the entire job. And other than the 15 sticking hard on the exhaust flange underneath the car, those nuts, but I can't blame the socket because quite frankly, I barely got those suckers off because they were extremely tight. I was contemplating going and getting my inductive heater for those nuts. They were that rusted, which surprising considering it's not a northern car, but the exhaust was really rusty on that car for some reason. It was a cheap car I bought because my daughter wrecked her car, but anyway, they did fantastic. Using them in the past, I used them for rounded and damaged fasteners because they do grip better than regular sockets, but I've talked about you can use them for everything, and yes, you can. Like, I use these exclusively through the entire job with Milwaukee Impacts, and again, other than those two fasteners, the nuts just came out of the socket, no problem. So I really do highly recommend these Matco sockets. So if you're thinking about them, I would definitely go ahead and get them. Obviously, Matco doesn't make these, they get made for them. I will try to link the company that makes them if I can find an Amazon link and put that in the description so you can buy them. But really, I really do highly recommend them. They are really good sockets. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.